can it do it all by itself?
Because that's what that thing does.
And then
$12.93 gets you 3 gallons of gas.
when it's done, I gotta pull it back that way.
Yep.
It's done.
A little over 3 gallons.
It's done.
That's pitiful. Alright. Can you put it up there? Got it? Alright.
There's no gas station done. Some gas stations run out of gas.
Alright, come on.
Daddy knows some gas.
Now we got enough gas to get back home and do one burnout.
I thought we were gonna go get some tires. No, let's go get them tires.
Yeah, we're gonna go get them. Waiting on other buddy of mine to bring them headers. We got a quarter of a tank of gas. $12 gets you 4 gallons of 93 octane. I meant 3 gallons of 93 octane. Alright, here's the headers I was talking about. This side probably worked pretty good. This one here points down. Might point down a little too far. I was thinking maybe I could just heat them up right here and bend it that way, but I don't know. That one there shouldn't be no problem. I don't know, we'll make something work, but let's head back to the house. Come on, get up there. Damn, fuel pump is howling, boy. That's another reason I want to go back to all manual fuel pump crap. Damn fuel pumps make too damn much noise, and then when they make a racket like this one does, it makes me think the damn thing's gonna go out on me. You never know when the damn fuel pump's gonna quit. I done had, I think, 3 fuel pumps fail on this thing. I know me having a stock gas tank don't help these fuel pumps because it's not gravity feed. I imagine if I had a fuel cell with a gravity feed, probably make the fuel pumps last a little longer. But seeing as I got a stock tank and it has the pump has to suck the fuel up out of the pickup and all that stuff, so it puts a lot more strain on it. But I don't want no fuel cell in here. I want to keep it all original. Everybody's always telling me to put a floor shift in it, but why would I do that? I want to keep it column shift, keep it all original. I don't want no floor shift, I don't want no fuel cell, none of that crap. I don't care if this thing's got 1,000 horsepower, we're gonna have a column shift in it, a stock tank. But fuel pump's quietening down a little bit now. We're gonna ease on towards the house. Hopefully we make it. Think we're gonna make it? Yeah, we're gonna take a back road. It's okay. Jump the railroad tracks. smoky burnout? Well, we won't do a real big one, but we'll do a little small smoky burnout. We just can't come up the hill. And the neighbors out there, they'll get mad. Threaten to call law on me. Some people just don't like to have fun. Burnout. I ain't want to do nothing too crazy. Little man wanted to walk home, or I guess jog. Ride through all these ponds. Well, we made it back to the house. We got us a full set of burnout tires, a set of mid-length / shorty headers. Maybe we can make them work somehow. We made it to town, got gas and all this stuff. We made it back without one single problem. Old C10 is finally about right, and now I'm decided to tear it down. Anybody need some Ford wheels in South Mississippi area? Because these fit a full-size Ford. All I'm keeping is the tires. The way I can do burnouts. And me a couple sets of burnout tires. Because these here, they ain't gonna last too long if I keep playing around on them. Well, I didn't do a real big burnout out there. I don't want to wear them down too fast. I want to save them. Have a little more fun on them before we just blow them out. But anyway, we made it back to the house. I'm about to go in here, get cleaned up, get me and him something to eat, and kick back and relax the rest of the day. So we end this one off here. Y'all just like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Later.